How to complete the Network ID template. Issuers seeking to offer qualified health plans, or QHPs, including standalone dental plans, or SEDPs, on the federally facilitated exchange, must submit a completed QHP application per CMS guidelines. As part of the QHP certification process, issuers are asked to fill out several templates with issuer and plan level data. These templates, along with any supporting documentation submitted, comprise an issuer's QHP application. Among these templates is the Network ID template. The Network ID template generates unique IDs that can be used to reference an issuer's provider network and other templates. To download the Network ID template and applicable instructions, visit the ECP and Network Adequacy webpage of the QHP certification website. This webpage contains more information about the essential community providers and network adequacy sections of the QHP application, including tips and additional resources. Before filling out the Network ID template, download and read the instructions from the Application Resources section. Once you're ready to complete the Network ID template, download the template from the Application Resources section, open the template, and enable macros. Within the Network ID template, there are 4 data fields, all of which are required to complete the template successfully. Required fields are denoted with an asterisk. When filling out templates in the QHP application, start in the top left corner and fill out fields moving down and to the right until all required fields are completed. Now let's walk through filling out the Network ID template with sample data. Before you begin, look through the data elements required to ensure you have the necessary plan information to successfully complete this template. To begin, enter the 5-digit HIOS issuer ID you received when you registered in the Health Insurance Oversight System, or HIOS, and the state where the applicable plans will be offered. Then, click the Create Network IDs button and enter the number of networks you intend to associate to plans in your QHP application. Click OK. In the first cell, under the Network Name column, enter your desired network name. Note that dual product issuers must use the word dental in this field for any dental networks to distinguish them from medical networks. In the next column, use the drop-down to select one of the network IDs the template generated. This network ID will be associated with the network name you entered in the previous cell. Continue adding networks in subsequent rows until all networks have been added. Now, let's validate and finalize the template. Once you have completed the template, click the Validate button at the top of the worksheet. Any data issues in your template that need to be resolved will be displayed. Correct these and click the Validate button again. Continue this process until all errors have been resolved. Once the template is valid, click the Finalize button to create an XML extract that will be automatically saved in the same folder as the template. The XML extract is the file you will submit as part of your QHP application. If you have questions regarding your QHP application, please contact the Marketplace Service Desk at cms_feps@cms.hhs.gov or 855-CMS-1515. For more information about the QHP certification process, visit www.qhpcertification.cms.gov.